Okay, good morning. My name is Sten Vermund. As chair of this committee, I'd like to welcome everyone to the third committee of the Committee on Prevention and Control of Sexually Transmitted Infections in the United States of the National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine. The project is sponsored by the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention through the National Association of County and City Health Officials. I'm joined by committee members around the table. I'll ask them to introduce themselves in a few minutes. Before we get further along, I want to note that this is an open, on-the-record session. Interested individuals have been invited to attend as observers and may be coming in and out through the day. I would also like to remind everyone that this is an information gathering session. That is, the committee is in the process of assembling materials that it will examine and discuss in the course of making its findings, conclusions, and recommendations. Therefore, I ask everyone today to be extremely mindful of the fact that the committee has made no conclusions, that it would be a mistake for anyone to leave here thinking otherwise. Committees made by individuals, including members of the committee, should not be interpreted as positions of the committee or of the National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine. In addition, committee members typically ask probing questions in these information gathering sessions, which may not be indicative of their personal views. The committee's report is expected to be released in summer 2020. This committee will deliberate thoroughly before writing its draft report. Moreover, once the draft report is written, it must go through rigorous review by experts who are anonymous to the committee. This is the third open meeting of the committee and will include presentations and discussions on a variety of topics to fulfill the committee's information gathering needs and a public comment session at the end of today. In addition to the presentations we will hear today, the committee has reviewed information relevant to its charge and will continue to gather additional information over the course of the study. Speakers' comments will be followed by a question and answer period with committee members. If time allows, we will open the floor to questions from other meeting attendees, either in person and webcast viewers. At the end of the day, we will have a period for public comment, and audience members and webcast viewers will be able to make brief comments. If you wish to provide comments during this period, please add your name to the sign-up sheet at the registration table, or if you're viewing the webcast, email your comments to stiprevention@nas.edu. That's stiprevention, all one word, @nas.edu. For the record, speakers will be asked to disclose whether they receive any funding for activities related to the topics being discussed today and the source of such funding, for example, government agency or foundation funding. For more information on the subject, on the study, you can visit the project website. Okay, here goes, www.nationalacademies.org/prevent-STIs. That's www.nationalacademies.org/prevent-STIs. Copies of the committee and speaker bio sketches are on display at the registration table and are also available on the project website. If you have any questions as the day moves on, please talk to our staff at the registration table and around the room. Their name badges have a green staff sticker. This meeting is being webcast live and recorded. Speaker presentation slides and videos will be posted to the project website 1 to 2 weeks after the meeting. We have 3 committee members joining us remotely: Guillermo Willie Prado, Alina Salganikov, and Jessica Willoughby. We will now go around the table and have the committee members briefly introduce themselves, giving their names and current affiliations. Again, brief bio sketches of the committee members are available to read at the registration table outside. So my name is Sten Vermund. I am the Dean of the Yale School of Public Health. Charlotte?
Hi, I'm Charlotte Gatos, and I'm a professor at Johns Hopkins University working in sexually transmitted infection.
My name is Sean Young. I'm an associate professor of emergency medicine and informatics at the University of California, Irvine.
Hi, I'm Neeraj. I'm a professor of public policy and a health economist at the University of Southern California.
My name is Edward Hook. I'm an emeritus professor of medicine at the University of Alabama at Birmingham.
I'm Carmen Zorrilla, an OBGYN at the University of Puerto Rico School of Medicine.
Good morning, I'm Cherie Boyer from the University of California, San Francisco, in the Department of Pediatrics and Adolescent Medicine.
Good morning. John Schneider, Professor of Medicine and Public Health Sciences at the University of Chicago.
Good morning. I'm Vincent Guillermo Ramos from New York University and the Adolescent AIDS Program at Montefiore Medical Center.
Hi, I'm Patty Kissinger from Tulane University, a professor of epidemiology.
Hi, I'm Jeff Crawley. I direct infectious disease initiatives at the O'Neill Institute for National and Global Health Law at Georgetown Law.
Hi, everyone. Medina Agenor, Assistant Professor in the Department of Community Health at Tufts University.
Good morning. My name is... There, sorry. Good morning. My name is Kees Riekmeijer. I am a STI consultant, and I'm a professor of community and behavioral health at the Colorado School of Public Health.
Good morning. My name is Mike Cohn. I'm a professor of medicine, microbiology, and epidemiology at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill.
And on the phone are Willie Prado, who's Dean of the Graduate School at the University of Miami, also Professor of Public Health Science, and he also directs the Division of Prevention Science and Community Health at the University of Miami Miller School of Medicine. Alina Salganikov is Senior Vice President and Director of Women's Health Policy at the Kaiser Family Foundation. And Jessica Willoughby is an Assistant Professor at the Edward R. Murrow College of Communication at Washington State University.